So today's makeup is going to be a full coverage, full contour, slimming the nose, bringing out all the cheekbones, full on. So this is how I like to do it. So I'm going to go in with Born This Way foundation. I have two shades. One is Swan, one is Sand. Sand is what I use on myself for a night out when I'm tanned. So I'm going to mix the two together. I would say I'm almond when I haven't got a tan. That's how much I've squirted on my hand. I'm then going to add a little bit of the Flawless filter. I prefer to mix this in with the foundation. Little concoction there. The thicker part of the skin here. Okay, and then push the rest of the makeup in with a beauty blender. So you get a really nice airbrushed finish. So I've got more makeup on the cheek area and not much underneath there because my concealer is going to go there. So that is your first layer of foundation. Is I have these multi-sculpting concealer. So you can use it as a foundation, really sheer it out, or you can use it as a concealer. But they're great for contouring and they're great for my kit because I've got all the different shades. So I could do the whole face with these, but I do think the foundation itself is quite nice to have and need as like an addition. So I'm taking Toffee and that is going to go there. So just under the cheekbone, it's going to come from the ear inwards. So just really sort of pushing and flicking. Try not to drag. It's nice, yeah? And then the same here. This is going to be like a continuation of your eyeshadow, kind of. Okay, so that's the sort of contouring areas done. They're not massively neat because they are blended. So I'm going to take a lighter shade out of the Multi-Sculpt and just pop that in the centre there like that. And a little bit there as well. So it's kind of like creating that kind of shape up to there. And then blend that in with your beauty blender. And then we're going to go in with your concealer. So I'm taking my Bobbi Brown. And I've got Porcelain, which is the paler shade in that corner there. And there. So bring it down the side of the nose. And then kind of join the two in the middle. So for the centre of the nose, I'm taking the Urban Decay Eye Primer in Eden. And I'm going to run that down the middle. And I'm going to tap that there. Okay, so now the skin's wet, I would spray it with a lighter. Let it set. You can take your loose powder. Your sponge will be slightly damp, but to the point where nearly all the water's out. And that's what you're going to get with the eye there. And basically where that concealer's been, down the nose, like that. So that's where I put the powder. The next thing I'm going to do is pop the powder on the jawline. So I'm going to follow from my lip line there up towards the lower ear. And I'm using this matte one, which is by Stiller. Got it in the Gretna outlet. And just again, repeat, so you're flicking. Keep it nice and dark near the ear and blend that inwards. And then you can select your blush. I'm using the Hush again in the Gwen Stefani palette because it acts a little bit like a highlighter as well. Take your brush and then just dust away any excess and really blend that in. And then once that skin is done, I would then spray it with the Urban Decay All Nighter. So this is the finished look. I just think that the one look that I don't do is cakey. So I'm going to let you have a closer look.